Did you know you can travel faster than the speed of light? We currently can't travel at the speed of light, but we know we theoretically can because Einstein told us we can. Now what if I told you that the speed of light is no longer the pinnacle of how we theorize how fast we can actually go? Scientists have figured out the key to exploring the farthest reaches of the universe lays in a concept that defies everything we think we know about space and time. As we're told in the government concentration camps, the speed of light is the fastest anything can go ever. Well, according to Einstein's cosmic speed limit, it is. Just to recap, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity theorizes the speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or 186,000 miles per second. To get to them numbers and how it's been theorized, there's a few constant rules, and that's that space is a vacuum and has zero restrictions. But that isn't true. Well, partially. Space is not entirely empty. Obviously, there's galactic unicorns, planets, stars, asteroids, space junk, and anything else you can think of that wouldn't be great hitting face first at light speed. But if we're talking about a straight line of nothingness, then space still isn't empty. It contains trace amounts of particles and radiation, which are pretty monumental to overcome. Not just that, objects approaching the speed of light go through a huge transformation whereby its energy and mass increase exponentially, making this cosmic barrier a theory of what we thought was seemingly impossible to surpass according to Einstein's existing theory. But what if I told you that modern-day scientists have proposed a way to cheat this cosmic speed limit, making the speed of light a number we can not only exceed, but zip past like it's nothing? Enter the warp drive, a theoretical concept that could potentially enable faster-than-light travel by manipulating the fabric of space-time and without violating the laws of relativity. The concept of a warp drive is often associated with science fiction, particularly popularized by the Star Trek series, but it's not just a fantasy and has serious roots in theoretical physics, particularly in the work of physicist Miguel Alcubierre. The basic concept behind a warp drive is to create a warp bubble, or warp field, around a spacecraft that contracts space in front of the vessel and expands it behind, effectively creating a wave-like distortion in space-time that allows the craft to not be affected by particles, radiation, or the forces associated with traveling so fast. Don't be getting confused with time travel, as we're not altering time here, just the gravity field around the craft. We are effectively theorizing a cosmic bumper car where the warp bubble acts as the rubber surround, deflecting the blows like on a fairground bumper car. By riding in this wave like a bullet, the spacecraft could theoretically surf through space faster than the speed of light, without violating the laws of physics as understood by Einstein's theory of relativity. However, creating a practical warp drive poses significant technical challenges, with one major obstacle being the immense energy requirements involved in generating and sustaining a warp bubble. The amount of energy needed to warp space-time on the scale required for faster-than-light travel is currently beyond what technological capabilities have been released to the public, and it seems to me that if us humans can develop a power system of this proportion, then we as a race are about to have a monumental jump in evolution. Leaks of government projects from Skunk Works and Lockheed Martin have reported the use of exotic forms of matter propulsion systems with negative energy density, such as exotic matter engines or negative mass engines, used to generate the necessary warp field. However, the existence of such engines remains under lock and key to us mere nobodies, and anyone who has meddled in them fields with any sort of success has met an untimely end or has vanished. But wait, there's more. Did you know that another theoretical concept, known as a wormhole, could also open the door to faster-than-light travel? Imagine a tunnel through space-time that connects distant points in the universe. That's what a wormhole is. By traversing through a forced wormhole, spacecraft could potentially shortcut vast distances, achieving faster-than-light travel in the blink of an eye. Now we're skirting on time travel. The concept of wormholes emerged from the same mathematics of Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes how gravity warps space-time, and the reality of wormholes is rooted in serious scientific inquiry and theoretical physics. Now, creating a wormhole would involve manipulating space-time in a way that creates a bridge between two distant points. One proposed method for creating a wormhole again involves the use of exotic matter with negative energy density. Not that kind of negative energy. This exotic matter would exert negative gravitational pressure, effectively repelling normal matter, and allowing the space around it to warp in such a way as to create a traversable wormhole. Again, the energy requirements for creating and stabilizing a wormhole are immense, and the engineering challenges involved in controlling and maintaining the stability of a wormhole would be extremely formidable, but not impossible. And that's what gives this theory a leg to stand on. Wormholes are taken very seriously by scientists because they emerge naturally from the mathematics of general relativity, the same theory that accurately describes the behavior of gravity and the large-scale structure of the universe. While the practical realization of wormholes remains elusive, their theoretical existence raises intriguing possibilities for understanding the nature of space-time and the potential for traversing vast distances in space. Did you ever gaze up at the stars and wonder what lies beyond the reaches of our galaxy? For centuries, humanity has been mesmerized by the mysteries of the cosmos, dreaming of voyages to distant stars and alien worlds. So if you could hop on a craft that could zip you to anywhere in the universe as quick as a click of your fingers, then where would you go first? Drop your answers in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Peace out. Nanu nanu.